The second derivative can tell us whether a critical point is a local minimum or maximum. So recall that at a critical point, the slope of the tangent to the curve is 0. And to determine if it's a minimum or maximum, we take the second derivative. So if the second derivative is greater than 0, then a graph is concave up in the vicinity of that critical point. And therefore, the critical point is a local minimum. Now for this critical point, the slope of the tangent to the curve is also 0, but the second derivative is less than 0. So therefore the graph is concave down in the vicinity of that critical point, and it's a local maximum. And that's consistent with the graph of the second derivative over here.